Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome. And I wasn't gonna do it, y'all, but I did. A lot of y'all asked me about it, so I thought, well, let me try it out. I got some stuff from Temu. So that is how you pronounce it. Now this label covers it, but there it is, T-E-M-U. It is pronounced Temu, and I have a giant bag. I have so many things that I'm gonna make 2 different videos, y'all, because it takes a little time to tell you about everything. So Temu has been around a little while, not very long, but it has just become the sensation of all social media. It is really interesting things. If you go on their website, you will find everything, anything your heart could desire. Oh my goodness, the list just, there's clothing, there's shoes, there's purses, there is household items, there's everything for your kitchen, everything for your bathroom, everything for decor, all kinds of decor, all kinds of hobbies, anything you want to junk journal, to do your diamond paintings, to do any of your hobbies. I mean, just seasonal items and things you can make, things that are already made, cat supplies, dog supplies, all your pet supplies, closet organization. I mean, I can't even, the list is constant, and it goes on. It's longer than Santa Claus's list. And that's what it's like. It's like visiting, it's like visiting the North Pole. There's absolutely everything you could ever want on there. So I got 11 items, and Temu was very, very nice and sent this to me so that I could show it to you. And I do have a code. It's here, HERE285, and that will get you 30% off your first order. And I have a link below. Most everything averages to be under $5, and there's free shipping and free returns for the US. And it is just incredible items. The pricing of things. Let me show you, for example. Everything comes wrapped. Everything comes wrapped up. And it's in a big bag. And there's a lot of ASMR that's going to go on. This is, I have most things I have out of the bags, but I just wanted to show you that on that. This, you can get 1 hanger, you can get 5 hangers, or you can get 10. They sent me 10. These are wonderful. See that everything is just wrapped so nicely. These are 89 cents a hanger, but if you buy them by the 10, I think it was like $8.59. I have it written down here somewhere. It wasn't expensive at all. It was $7.49 for 10. And this is just one of the, I bet they have dozens and dozens of hangers just to try. And I do, like I said, I have everything else unwrapped. I apologize for all the ASMR, but I did want you to see how everything is wrapped nicely. These I liked because they are plastic, and they have metal ones. They have all different types, but these are lighter weight. And you see how, look how these are, these 5. They hang together on these hooks, so you can organize your closet with these. So you take one off, it just sets right here on this little piece here. There you go. And you can hang skirts. You know, you can hang your pants upside down, so from the base of the leg. So you can move this in, and it'll pinch onto your pant leg, or you could push this out and put it on your waistline of your skirts and your slacks. And what I do when I wash clothes, a lot of my clothes, I do not have time to iron, and I don't like to iron anymore. I think most of us don't. So I will put things in the dryer for 5 or 10 minutes and then hang them up to dry. So this nice plastic, it's lightweight, so it hangs on my shower rod, and then my pants will dry. And I usually hang them upside down, so I'll use it more this way. And then when I put them in the closet, you know, a bunch of skirts, a bunch of slacks, like I said, to save you space, you're going to put this right here. It hooks on there. So then, whoops, I'm grabbing the wrong part. See how that is? It'll hook Let me make sure I'm doing it right. There you go. It hooks on there like that. So that little hook hooks on that. And then you can hang 5 or so and hang that up, and it saves you space. So I could have gone crazy just on the organizational tools because I have a smaller home. I do have several closets, but they're full. So this will give me more space. And then of course, you know, I had to get some stickers. Had to get some stickers. Hey, Smudge. I got plenty of things for the boys. So for the cats, they have wonderful items for the cats, y'all. All right, so this is a pack of 50 stickers, and these are all cat stickers. So, oh my goodness, this is so funny. This guy has, and all this plastic has, Smudge has, I forgot what that's called. He has, he chews on plastic. He doesn't eat it, thank goodness. But look at this guy has on, he's smoking a cigarette. Not the best thing to do right there. But there's all kinds of cat stickers, faces, and just fun for friend mail. Look at this. This cat has hands, human hands. There's just a bunch of them. And look at this one's wearing a gold chain. Just all kinds of silly. And they have any possible sticker you could want. Any kind. I mean, cats and dogs and other kinds of pets. And just a plethora of stickers that you can use on your mail out to people, on your packages out to people, on your journaling, on any kind of crafting that you do, fun with the children. I mean, it's incredible. Absolutely incredible. I'm just overwhelmed by what they have. And I have this too. I just got so much. I can't even tell you. This is called Pet Gravity. This is a smart rotating ball. Now, one thing that I have 2 boy cats. One thing that they love the most are balls. And they love, you know, they love all kinds of toys, but balls, they love to chase the balls through the house. They love to, I have a long kitchen and a long living room. They love to just chase around. And this I thought would be just fun because this keeps them busy. It's supposed to keep, it doesn't just stop like a ball stops. It will do things. I don't really know exactly what it's going to do. It has to be charged. It says short press the switch button to start and stop the rolling ball. See, it does it. It's electronic, and this was just so reasonable. Let me find it on here. This was $7.49, and it's electronic. It comes with your USB port, and there is the plug in there. So now this looks just like a ball. It's like, well, where do I plug it in? Right here, there is this little panel inside, a little electronic panel. You plug in your USB port there, and then it will charge. And this little part goes back in, and then I had turned it on already before. It has some lights, and then it does stuff. And it's vibrating right now. It's moving in my hands. It'll roll around the house, and so when I can't play anymore with them, it will keep them busy, which Smudge has a lot of energy. Can you see? I don't know if you can see the lights. Maybe if no. Well, the light, it's turning, it's vibrating, and then you'll see the light spin, and that'll be when it's rolling around on the floor. So I will try to take a video of that later. And then I'm not sure if let me try to turn it off. I may have to stop to turn it off. When I opened the big giant orange bag, the big giant Temu bag, and I was taking things out, and everything is wrapped so nicely in boxes or in bags. This was there, and Smudge started to go crazy over this. This is not a blanket. Let me show you what let me tell you the name. This is called Cat and Dog Universal Cartoon Paw Print Nest Pad. This was $5.39, y'all, and this is large. And I was thinking, you know, it's my own fault because I don't measure things, but they have small, medium, and large, and they have different prints and things like that. And I thought I was going to get something that would fit in my carry kennel when I take them to the vet. And I didn't measure. So I probably would need the small because this is about the size of the inside of my kennel. But let me show you this. Look at how pretty this is. On the underside, it is just a fabulous soft, and it is quilted. You can see it on the back better. That's the underside. And then this is the top side. And you can lay this on the floor. You could put this in a carrier, a cat carrier, a dog carrier, a kennel. If you kennel train your puppy, if you want to put this on your couch to protect your couch, you can put this in the car. And then this, you just take this right up and throw it in the wash. It's super soft, and Smudge was making biscuits all over it. He was loving it. You want to come over, Smudge? I'll measure it and tell you the size of it, because let me see. It's nice and big. All right, this is like 27 and a half or 28 inches across. And then this way, Smudge is looking at it. This is about 19 or 20. 20 inches this way. So like I said, this will fit in their carrier if I fold it in half and do it this way. And then they'll just be warmer and more comfortable in there when I take them to the vet. And you can just put this anywhere. And I just wish you could feel how soft it is. It's like a stuffed animal. And Smudge really, really liked it. You want to come over, Smudge, and see this? He's right here. He's looking around. I'm going to put that right there. If you want to come over, come on, Smudge, come and see it. And it is just, I mean, the price of it is great. I see these things all the time everywhere on the internet, at the pet store, all like that, and they can be quite pricey. And the quality is really there, y'all. The quality, here, Smudge is here now. It's nicely stitched. It's nicely thick. It's not too thick. It's thicker than a blanket, but it's a pad. It's like a pad. You want to get on there, Smudge? And then I have this beautiful bag, y'all. I can't believe this bag, because let me show it to you right quick. I have had it hanging so that it could stretch out a little bit. Look at this bag. This is a beautiful tote bag, and it looks like black leather. It is not. It's you know what they call like PVU. Is that what they call it? So pleather. It is, you know, when you see it in person, you know it's not leather. But this was it's fashioned after a high-end bag. You know, it's made to look like it's braided. And it is, the thing about it is braided. It's not pressed, but it's not real leather. And then it has this, the drop handles. Move, oops, my chair made a loud noise there. Both sides look the same, and on the inside there are lots of pockets. So it's lined all the way on the inside. On this side there's a nice big pocket that would hold a cell phone, and on the other side there is a zipper pocket where you could put in, you know, anything that you don't want people to get to. And it's nice and deep. Hard to see because it's black. And then there is a zipper for the whole entire bag. Let me show you how that works. It has a nice zipper pull. So there, you hold on to that and pull the zipper all the way across. So it is secured. So this is great. You can use this as a purse. It's big for a purse. It's a big tote. But some people like really big purses. You can use this, like what I would use this kind of bag for is my work bag. So I take things back and forth from home to work and carry everything in here. And then there's some secure pockets in there as well. So, and I can zip up the whole thing if I need to. So very nice. Now this bag was only $15.49. And when you go in, first of all, if you use my code, it is, I don't know how if it's meant just for me, I'm not really sure, but it's here285. It will give you 30% off your first order. When you go onto the website, there's an app and there's a website. And when you go on into that, there's all kinds of deals. You can, when you first go in, sometimes there's a wheel you can spin to get a deal. And when you're looking at prices, most of the prices are marked out, but you can see the original price. Most are marked out and things are on sale. They have fabulous sales. Every single thing that you've seen here and everything in my next video were all marked down prices when I got them. We're all on sale. And it changes constantly what goes on sale. So if there's something you really want and you don't see that it's on sale, wait a few minutes and it will be on sale. So, you know, put it on your wish list for later and it will be on sale. They have tremendous sales all the time. And I'm impressed. Like these are, you know, these 89 cents, that's less than you'd pay for at now, you know, our Dollar Tree is $1.25 now. And this was 89 cents. And it's a really, like I said, this one's plastic. They do have different materials. This is very high quality. It's not gonna, see, it's not bending. It's not like it's not cheap junk. This is a good quality hanger. And these, like I said, these can move depending on the size of what you're holding up. So, and there's just so many different styles. There's types that you can put pants that are folded over on. There's just regular clothes hangers. There are, oh my goodness, the things that you hang into your closet where it has a couple hooks on it and then it has spaces, shelves in it. I mean, you can have a completely organized closet with the stuff they have. It's incredible what they sell. Incredible. You can shop 24 hours for a week and probably not see everything that they sell. It's really incredible and their prices are fantastic. And I'm told from many people that their customer service is fantastic. My experience with customer service has been fantastic. And I've not heard any negativity about their customer service, and you have free returns in the United States. So that is a tremendous deal as well. So I will have the links for my products below if you are interested in any of these. And like I said, I do have more products to show you. They will be in another video so that my video is not too long, okay? Thank you all for stopping by. I really wasn't sure I was gonna jump on this bandwagon, but I've been seeing so many wonderful videos from a lot of my friends, and I thought, well, you know, let me try it. And I really, y'all, the quality, this is, like I said, it's not, but look at the bottom. It's not leather. It won't last forever, but this is a very good quality and this is gonna last a while. And these are gonna last a while. And I love how they hook together so that I can save space in my closet. And I can't wait for Smudge to try this crazy thing. There it goes. It's like when you touch it, can you see? I don't know if you can see, but the color goes, yeah, see, it's gonna take, oh, he's interested. It's gonna take it, it's gonna move around on the floor and take it all around for him. And he's gonna have so much fun with that. I'm gonna try to hook a video at the end of that, okay? Thank y'all for stopping by. And I'm so excited about this. Just go look at it. You'll be so impressed with all the products that they have. Take care, y'all. Count your blessings. Bye-bye. You got it, Smudge? Under the box. There it is. There it is. Got all his toys down there. Smudge, here it is. Woo. Woo, look at it. Oh. They've got all their boxes. All their boxes.